ओम विश्वेश्वरीं जगद्धात्रीं स्थितिसंहारकारिणीं निद्रां भगवतीं विष्णोरतुलां तेजसः प्रभुः त्वं स्वाहा त्वं स्वधा त्वं हि वषट्कारः स्वरात्मिका सुधा त्वमक्षरे नित्ये त्रिधा मात्रात्मिका स्थिता अर्धमात्रा स्थिता नित्या यानुच्चार्या विशेषतः त्वमेव संध्या सावित्री त्वं देवी जननी परा त्वैत् धार्यते विश्वं त्वैतत् सृज्यते जगत् त्वैतत् पाल्यते देवी त्वमत्सन्ते च सर्वदा. So, till now we have discussed all these hymns. Visrishta Srishti Rupa Tvam Sthiti Rupa Chapalane Tatha Smranti Rupante Jagatosya Jaganmaya. So, here in this post, we will be discussing this hymn and Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmriti, Mahamoha cha Bhavati, Mahadevi, Mahasuri. Visrishta Srishti Rupa Tvam Sthiti Rupa cha Palane, which means that whole of the world, whole of the universe is born from you. You are that Hiranyagarbha. You are that sacred womb who has given birth to whole of the universe. When Kunjika Sutra also says, Aimkari Srishti Rupaya, Hrimkari Pratipalika, Klimkari Kamarupinna, Bij Rupe Namastute. So, which means, Bij means seed. In the guise of Aim, you are the form of universe, the existence of universe. And Ratri Suktam tells us Visrishta Srishti Rupa means you are whole of the universe. Everything, every existence is born from you. O Mother Goddess, we are your forms. We are your energy. And our energy is also existence of your energy. And your energy, end of the time, we are you and you are we. Creation, destruction, and flow of existence. Existence prevails. What existed someday will get finished or destructed someday. Every minute is creating a new time, and every passing minute is becoming the past. So, Srishti Rupa means in the form of every minute, every second, every very small fraction of time which cannot also be counted. You are beyond time, O Mother Goddess, you are Srishti Rupa. Visrishta Srishti Rupa Tvam Sthiti Rupa Chapalane means every creation, when you have created all the world, when you have created all the universe, it is from you that we are there. From you, our time is there. From you, our existence is there. And from you, our existence is flown with the time. Our internal, external clock. The earth rotates 24 hours. It takes revolvation of 24 hours. Same is with other planets. And there might be many planets, many existences which we do not know. The science, what is doing? It is exploring. Exploration is happening outside. It needs to be happened inside also. The discoveries are yogis, are saints, are ancient sages. They were not less than any scientist. They have always made discoveries. So this grantha, this text, is also part of that discovery. This text, Durga Saptashati, Devi Mahatmya, explains us about the existence of universe, the Adi Shakti. It tells us her power. It tells us her energy. It explains us from where we are and where we will be. Sthiti Rupa means creation, and Palane means the nurturing of that energy. In the last post, also, we discussed that if creation is happening, it needs to be nurtured. Then only it can flow in the existence. The existence can flow with the time. Existence can sustain itself. So existence need to be sustained in that nurturing energy. And with that nurturing energy, the existence of everything is sustaining itself. You are the nurturer of whole of the world, every existence. If every minute is into existence, every existence is nurtured with your energy, and your energy is the nurturing energy of whole of the universe. We bow in front of you, O Mother Goddess. You are the creator as well as the nurturer. तथा स्मृति रूपांते jagatosya jaganmaya means in the end of kalpa, end of the time, end of the creation, when samhara, the destruction, prevails, when everything goes into the direction of destruction, sanghar, you are the energy which merges inside you all the existence. This is Smriti Rupante Jagatosya Jaganmay, means you merge everything inside you. Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmriti, Mahamoha cha bhavati, Mahadevi, Mahasuri. Now, these are the definition of her existence. We need to understand. Mahavidya. What is Mahavidya? The supreme intelligence, the energy, the guiding energy of whole of the universe, the knowledge of everything, whatever, wherever anything is existing. Now, in 10 Mahavidyas, Kali, Tara, Shodashi, Chinnamastika, Bhuvneshwari, when I say that she is, that Kali is form of whole of the universe, she forms whole of the universe, she exists in every prana, she exists in every energy, and every energy is because of her. So Mahavidya, Kali, Tara, Shodachi, Namastika, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhairavi, Baglamukhi, Dhumavati, Matangi, Kamala. She has 10 forms. Kali has 10 forms. So here Mahavidya, Mahamaya. It is also a name of Ma Bhagwati, Mahamaya, Mahamedha. Medha means knowledge. Medha means Medha means intelligence. So you are supreme intelligent. You are supreme intelligence, the energy of supreme intelligence to know whole of the secrets of the word. Mahasmriti. Smriti means Yad Shakti, memory. So you are the memory of every existence. Now, when we talk about Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmriti, when we talk about all these names, all these forms, all these definitions, it is infinite topic to be discussed. And in coming videos, I'll be discussing this. Mahamoha cha bhavati means you are the supreme charm of universe, of existence, of everything which is beautiful, everything which touches our heart. You are that Mahamoha. Moha has many meanings. It is feeling of love also. It is greed also in many forms. In the subconscious mind, it has many things. So this will be explained in very detailed manner in coming videos. Mahadevi. Who is Mahadevi? Who is Mahadev? Mahadev is Shiva. And Mahadevi, the supreme goddess. Devi means goddess. Supreme goddess. You are supreme goddess. O supreme goddess, I bow in front of you. Mahasuri. Sur means vibration also. Sur means Devata also. Gods also. So you are the supreme goddess of whole of the universe, and you are the supreme voice of whole of the universe, sound of whole of the universe, swar of whole of the universe. You are flow of existence, and word is incomplete without you. In fact, I would say that word does not exist without you in any form, in any particle. Every minute particle is you.